Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 Air 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to almost to the very bottom to find passwords and accounts. As you can see here, we've got our Google account added, so let's start with removing the account. So let's tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and basically this is how it works. Of course, I'll show you how to remove the Google account later on, also after adding the account. So now adding, let's tap on this plus icon and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and now you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, however, with 2. Okay, and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, as I said, you can remove it whenever you want to, so just enter the same section and tap on the account. Tap on remove account and confirm it. And this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.